This is how to fake your iPhone's location. If you are looking on a way to change your iPhone's location or access to jailbroken websites, I got you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fake your iPhone's location without jailbreak and without moving anywhere. So if you are asking why I need to change my location or is it important to change my location, well, changing the location these days becomes very important for many people because they want to protect their privacy or to access blocked websites or for some security reasons. So if you want to change the GPS location on your iPhone or Android with just one click, then I have the right solution for you. I introduce to you MagFone Location Changer, which is the perfect software that you need. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use MagFone Location Changer. First, go to the official website of MagFone Location Changer, and as you see, this is the software. MagFone Location Changer is fully compatible with the latest iOS 18 and Android 15. Here you can see the software features. With it, you can change iPhone or Android location without jailbreak or root in one click, simulate GPS movement along with customized routes and speeds, offer several modes to get flexible GPS movement in various scenarios, works with all location-based games and social apps, and fully support all iOS versions and Android 15. So what does this software do? The software deceives your iOS device's GPS into believing it is in a different location. MagFone Location Changer has many amazing features, so let's go ahead and download it. MagFone software supports Windows and macOS. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. The software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After downloading it, just go ahead and open the file to install MagFone Location Changer software. Hit agree. Now just move it to apps folder. Once installed, go ahead and open it, and as you see, this is the software. This is some of the software features. It includes teleport mode, two-spot mode, multi-spot mode, jump teleport mode, and joystick mode. Now hit start. Here select your device. It supports both Android and iOS. Since I'm using an iPhone, so I will select iOS. Now just go ahead and connect your iOS device to your Mac. I will connect my device, and as you see, my device is now connected. You can also connect your iPhone via Wi-Fi without USB cable. Hit next. The software now will show you your current location. I will use screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my device. I will open Maps on my iPhone. As you see, this is my current location. Okay, here at the top, you can select which feature you want to use. Okay, I will use teleport mode to change my location. To change your location, just select the location you want on the map, then click Start Modifying. I will select this location. Once I click Start Modifying, the location will change immediately, as you will see. And boom, as you see, the location has been changed. It's that simple. I will change it again. So let's select this location. Okay, changed immediately. I will change it to another place. I will select this one. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy to use. You can change it as many times as you want. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other features. So now I will use two-spot mode. With two-spot mode, you can customize the start point and end point and let the device's GPS location move along the route generated by the system at a specific speed. From here, you can change the speed to match your liking. With two-spot mode, you can change the GPS movement trace on the device when using location-based apps such as LBS games or outdoor fitness apps. After setting the start and end points on the map, the GPS will automatically move along an auto-generated route, which can help you complete various tasks in the games. As you see, it will start moving from A to B. With multi-spot mode, you can let the device's GPS location move along the customized route at a specific speed. With this feature, you can change the GPS movement trace on the device when using location-based apps such as as LBS games or outdoor fitness apps. You can plan a route by selecting multiple spots on the map, then the location of your device will move as you like at different simulated speeds. You can select many places as you want. It will start moving from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. Of course, you can change the speed to your liking. With the jump teleport mode, you can customize the jumping teleportation route and instantly move to multiple designated locations in sequence. It can be applied in some location-based apps such as LBS games, travel apps, and social apps. As you see, it's a good feature to jump to other location without actually moving. It allows you to select a location on the map and jump directly to this place without moving. And that's it. And finally, with joystick mode, it allows you to freely mock location direction when playing games using GPS joystick or keyboard to control GPS movement direction. You can freely change the location direction easily from here. This is really useful in some games. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement and control the virtual location of your device. It's one of my favorite features. The software also allows you to share your virtual location, preventing apps from tracking your real location. Here you have some useful options like device management, quickly access to favorite locations, import GPX file, find your current location and restore the real location. So this is MagFone location changer software. It's really good software and it's easy to use. It's really good to hide and change your location these days. This can make it impossible to find your real location. So go ahead and try it now. You will find the download link in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.